Have you ever wondered what it takes to create an iPhone? Let's go behind the scenes of the brand new iPhone 17 Pro. It all begins here, in Apple's design studio in California, where brilliant ideas are transformed into stunning 3D models. From there, the journey goes global. We see advanced microchips being fabricated in state-of-the-art facilities, each one a tiny powerhouse. Meanwhile, the incredibly tough Gorilla Glass is crafted, ready to protect that beautiful display. The phone's sleek aluminum body is then precision milled before undergoing an innovative 9-step process of anodization and polishing to get that signature finish. Next, it's off to the assembly line. A symphony of robotic arms and skilled technicians work together, meticulously piecing every component into place. It's a perfect blend of high-tech automation and human craftsmanship. Finally, before it ever reaches your hands, each iPhone 17 Pro faces a series of rigorous quality control tests. Only the flawless ones are carefully packaged and shipped out, ready to connect the world. Thanks for watching. If you found this fascinating, hit that like button and subscribe for more exclusive looks into the world of tech.